Dawn huma Bell u Sebastien. Żewġ irġiel li jagħmlu għall-missjoni ta' ħajjithom li jippromuovu lil Malta u l-għawdex u l-kultura rikka li għandna mat-turisti kollha li jżuru pajjiżna. Il-Ministru tat-Turiżmu
Kif intom right?
rada l-isforz u ħaddanhom miegħu u minn dakinhar dejjem kienu hemm għalih. Għalhekk illum b'aktar u aktar sforz qed ikomplu jikkulturaw u jgħallmu lit-turist li jżur pajjiżna.
Yes, he's next to me. Okay, Zoom in linea Conrad, please. Conrad Mitzi. Hello, Honorable. Oscar. Yes, we're right here. Olitzer. Hi, this is Belle and this is Sebastien. And today we're near the beloved Triton fountain, which was newly restored. Yes, but we have a problem. It is in danger. Coins are staining the bottom of the Triton fountain. But today, Belle and Sebastien here have a solution to this problem. طلعنا. Stop! 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 Are you throwing money in the fountain?
No, we didn't throw money.
But if you want to, yes, you should wish. You can do a wish.
Like in Trevi Fountain in
Yes. Get the money out and throw it. Where are you from?
Poland.
Poland. Oh, you have this tradition in Poland?
Well, in some places.
Yes. Okay. So come on, let's do it.
Well, I don't know where my money is.
Money. Wait, let me help you.
Well, I hope you are not going to steal my backpack.
No. Look, we're from the National Malta Tourism Authority.
Oh,
We're serious.
fantastic. So, how much money should I...
Oh, but the more the merry.
the more the merrier. Through the left arm or through the right arm?
Let's see what we kollox jgħaddox tinkwi.
50 is fine.
It's better if it's not €50 is better, huh?
Come on. What are you
No.
doing me?
50 then, all right, okay.
The left
Okay,
arm or the
so
right arm?
your name?
Ursula.
For Ursula, good luck.
Thank you. Whoops. Did it go?
Good, yes. Kiss.
Where?
Did you do a wish?
Yes, of course. But
good.
it's a secret.
Can I give you a kiss?
Well, we do 3 times in
Okay.
Poland.
Thank you. Beautiful. Mela, €1 ġewwa. Stop. Signora,
Heidi,
were you going to throw money in the fountain?
no money.
No money. You can throw money in the fountain and make a wish. And good luck.
Like? What kind of wish?
Whatever. You should wish something. Mela, oħra ċaġa tal-flus.
M'għandix żgħar.
Sax itfarru wallet.
Ah,
Yes, good. Le, zom, issa. Fejn marret? Le, no worries. No. Fejn marret? Naħseb fil-handbag waqgħet. All right. Ejja, mister, ejja mel il-wish, ejja, kemmi. Mela, ara, wait. Daw mhumiex tajbin li titfaw il-1 centijat tar-ram. Mela, itfa' €1, sinjura. Għala għajni, għajt xismek?
Anna.
Itfa'. Jowa, bravo! Thank you. Jina li ħabbar ġilda. Għanna datija kukol titfawtax datija bil-ħsara. Thank you. Kompli ħudila issa, ħudila. Hello. Money.
Yeah.
So do it. Do it together.
Yes, okay.
Okay, money and food. Yes. D'accord, from France.
C'est...
Vive la France.
Spain.
Je Così stritoni, yes? Totoni. Let's see what you have, money. No? €2, very good, huh? No. Oh, good. Together. Yes. Le men together, Catapult.
Allez.
On.
2, 3.
Ah! Bonne chance! Your wish comes true. Merci beaucoup. Okay, you want to throw the money and the...
Je n'ai pas. Bien.
You have money to throw?
C'est ce que j'ai.
Oui, les enfants, des monnaies, bonbons. Foufoum. Foufoum, bichit flower. Good. Together, ensemble. Viens. 1, 2.
Paul.
Je t'aime. بالقداميات. Bravo! Bonne chance! Now we will be happy for 400 years. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Ah, India! I like your food.
Yeah.
Yes, very good.
Spicy.
Yes, very spicy. Listen, you know it.
I don't have change, man.
If you, no, throw the mobile phone is good. Huh?
No, throw.
You have 10 euros?
No.
20?
No, nothing.
Bad time for India, yes. Bad time for India. No problem. See.
Give me.
No. Bad time for India. Yes, yes. Hello, morning.
Morning.
Did we see you already?
Not ready.
Okay. Where do you come from? Japan. Yes. Listen, you know that you can do a nice wish if you throw money in the fountain.
Really?
Yeah. But let's see what you're throwing. Come.
Let's give me money.
No, you throw your money because it's your wish, not my wish. Okay. You have a nice voice. By the way, my name is Bill.
And I'm Sebastien.
What's your name? My name is Yuta. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Let's see what you have. No, 1 euro or €2. Yes, because you will stain the fountain. Okay, that is. I don't want you. Good, all of them. Good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Listen, I have to go. Okay. All right. He has to go. You know. So make sure that your wishes come true.
I hope so.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, look there. Yay! We have some money. See, our wish came true. And until the next time, and until he gets dry, bye-bye.